3, 2, 1, action! Let's get it. Alright, so I just got a shot of her walking out of the plane. 3, 2, 1, go. Helpful.
Okay, so what I'm thinking is that if you're here,
Yeah.
maybe we have somebody on the phone, maybe you're on the phone, I could be over there with Jilla. You help coordinate actions and talent, and like, yeah, you guys do that together, figure out a little scene that we could do.
I'm gonna start coming in from over the trees here.
Okay, go ahead.
Woo, that was awesome. I'll find the laser.
We got the flowers, and now they're gonna get us 2 bottles of champagne.
Woo! Only took us a couple bottles.
Ideally what you want to do is that you want to throw it up so it falls down in the water.
Gotta get the cork. We ain't gonna litter out here. It's irresponsible.
Wait, that's it!
Yeah, that's super cute.
That looks awesome. Yeah, I was like,
Yay!
Right there, right there, in front of you, Mom, look. Right there, right there, right there, by the boat, to your right, to your right.
they told me not to stick the GoPro in the water because it scares them away, but I'm like, you know what? It's worth a shot. Boom, underwater. Dolphins.
Basically, I'm attaching 6 phone mounts to this pole. All phones are going to be lined up exactly with the subject in the middle of the frame.
Just wreck my hard drive and just keep rolling because this is beautiful.
We got it.
We get 10 minutes of sun while we're at the shipwreck. We'll be good.
Right.
That's all we need.
It's an octopus.
It's an octopus!
Oh my god. Get the pole,
On
get
the
the pole.
Oh my god, what if it reaches out and grabs the camera?
He's trying to eat it, I think.
What?
Oh my
Oh!
This is wild.
Oh my god. Whoa. Got ya. We're gonna do a transition.
I'm gonna dip this one in the water, this one over the water. So maybe half and half. And then if we can slowly go around the shipwreck in a perfect circle, and then you tell me which side this should be out to be facing.
I'm gonna orbit you, and then when I feel like it's ready, I'll yell out to go ahead and jump, okay? All right, we're rolling. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! I couldn't get the backflip. I tried to go forward and turn into a back. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and come on in.
I'm leaving.
I'm out. You're leaving very slowly. One frame at a time.
Yeah, literally.
Ready? First one. Next.
once because within a few seconds I can capture all of those things.
Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna have you go back and forth on the beach.
Okay.
Pretty fast.
Okay.
And he's gonna follow you with the drone. Steven, can you clear everybody from the beach?
The horse seemed to do okay with the drone. Great shot. Absolutely amazing.
We're gonna make you a great edit from this footage. Yeah, absolutely.
All of you, thank you so much.
Cheers.
We're gonna have a waiter coming down this, and Colin's gonna come in from the beach and follow the waiter, and then he's gonna loop around to the bar where I'm gonna be getting a drink. He's gonna follow me out, and then we were thinking, like, based on how many people we could have like somebody in the pool, maybe somebody at the table.
You're gonna yell action, okay? And just start walking.
So loopable too.
Woo! Yes, let's go.